Hey y'all, it's DJ the Diva coming at you with another video. You guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please take the time now to smash the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, not only for motivation and support, but to make our channel go, glow, and grow, okay? And drop me a comment because I love comments, requests, and suggestions. Um, and I would like to know that you rock with me like I rock with you. So I love the comments, okay? And if you are subscribed to the channel, welcome back, family. Welcome back. Hey, y'all. My fellow divas and divos, okay? So today's DIY is um, home holiday porch decor, okay? And I got this idea, I believe in giving credit where credit is due, honey. This uh, decor idea I found that on YouTube on a channel called BuzzFeed Nifty, okay? And what it is, it's Christmas bells. Now, they told me that I needed a few materials. One would be planters. You can find most of these things at the Dollar Tree. A planter, a potting planter, oversized Christmas bulbs, and some string or rope. Okay, so I had some things around the house. Now, I went to the Dollar Tree to find the planters, and they were out of season. So I thought, they would have planters all year round, but no, they call that a seasonal item. So what I ended up doing was they had some orange and blue pails, like trash pails, and I bought them and I spray painted them. Now, this one was one of the orange ones, and I had some spray paint, silver and gold around the house, metallic. So I'm doing 6 in all, and I did um, 4 silver and 2 gold because that's as far as my spray paint would go. And I also did the inside, so you know, if it's tilted to the side like I think I'm going to hang them, then you'll be able to see that it's cohesive, same color inside and out. Okay, another thing is I got a tip from another DIY YouTuber, and they were saying whenever your glue gun gets like jammed and it doesn't work no more, you can't feed the glue stick in, do not throw your um, glue gun away, because although it doesn't function as it was intended, you can if it still gets hot, you can use the tip as a soldering gun. And that's what a soldering gun. And that's what I did by just pressing little dots around until I got enough to make a circle. And then there was little pieces of plastic, thin plastic in between each hole. And I just took it and went around like this until it was all gone. And then the plastic that remained up there, I just waited till it was kind of cool, and then I pushed, just warm, and I pushed it through, and I got my holes that I needed there. Okay, so I spray painted them, and this is like 2 coats because it was kind of bright orange. 2 coats of paint on each. So I used up all the spray paint, that's what my attention was. I got the oversized bulbs, okay? And let me show you guys the top here. These tops were not sturdy enough for me to put the string through here and it hold it through any weather conditions or wind that I might get during the winter season. So I took the top off and I added some E6000 and some hot glue, and then I replaced uh, the and it's very, very sturdy now. Now I tied the rope. Now let me show you the rope that I have, because I had this around the house. I had got it from the Dollar Tree, but it was intended to use out on my steel beams that I have outside that's used to hang clothes. I got this as for like a clothesline uh, because I just love the way freshly washed linen smells when it's air dried outdoors. But I didn't get around to it, so I'm using it. I'm still using it. So what I did was I tied a knot around the string, and this is really, really um, defiant rope. It did not want to stay put. So all I did was, again, I went in with my E6000 and my hot glue, and I glued both sides. It's not going anywhere. I cut my rope, and I'm going to feed it through the hole that I made with my new soldering hot glue gun. And I just feed it through the top there, and I'm going to eyeball it as to where I think that should stop at. Let me see if that's a good fit. Pretty good, pretty good. Okay. I'm liking that pretty well. Okay. Now at the top, I'm going to do the same. I'm just going to put some E6000 around that hole. Put it around the hole. Like so. Then go around. I'm going to put a little bit more right there. And go around with some hot glue. Okay. Now you might have to tighten your rope at the top, as you can see. Okay. Wear gloves if you want. I'm just going to wash my hands afterwards. I've been doing DIYs all day. Okay, just press that down a moment. If you want, you can add some extra hot glue around and hold. Hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful Sunday, a blessed one, a safe one, a positive and uplifting one. As I am. I'm having fun doing all my DIYs. Now, you guys, this is in preparation for my holiday decor. Now, all I have to do is hang this on my lattice, my metal lattice on my porch. I am going to add maybe some berries and a little greenery on there. But basically, this is done. It's ready for hanging. My lights outside, they're done. Although I'm not going to light them up yet. Who wants to be out in the cold, frigid temperatures hanging lights? That is such a horrible time to do it, because you risk injury, you risk falling. Yeah. So why not do it when the weather's nice? You know, nobody can really see the lights unless you go ahead and light them up. You know, so it's always best to do those stuff whenever it's not blistering cold. You don't have to deal with the weather conditions, and it's close to the holiday. You know, we're dealing with the end of October. Look at that. And they're going to be like, I don't know how I'm going to hang them, but they're going to be beautiful. Let me show you one of the other ones I did. Look at there. This is one of the gold ones. Beautiful, beautiful bells. I am not going to add no jingle-lingle bells. I said jingle-lingle bells. Because I don't want to hear that all night with the wind blowing and stuff. So I'm going to cut this off down here. And this rope is, I know it's plastic because it's hard to cut. So yeah. Let's get rid of some of those extra ends. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. I was trying to keep it at 10 minutes. Show you guys my bells, my holiday bells. I got one more to do, and I guess I'll do that with you guys. Okay. This is one I have not yet completed with this, okay? You see I just wrapped. I did glue the top on. Let me pull this as tight as I can get it before I glue it. And I go in with the E6000 and then the hot glue gun on both sides. All the way around. Give it a little blow so it doesn't drip. And then I'm going to go on the undercarriage and do the same thing so all the way around it is secured. All the way around. Okay. And I just give it a little blow. And like I said, I found this on BuzzFeed Nifty. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with my outside this year because I did the minimum last year. I just put fairy lights in my shrubs that I have on in the pots that I have on my porch, and a spray on my door. I wanted to do a little bit more this year. Okay, that hole that I made with the hot glue gun, I'm going to now feed this line up through. Okay. Okay, let me see. I had cut this a little too uneven, but we'll get it together here. Okay, there we go. All right, you guys. Remember I said you just eyeball it and see where you think you want the string to stop. Let's see. I'm thinking that's a pretty good. I've eyeballed that pretty good. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I am going to make sure that is tight as I can pull it. Like I said, it's stubborn rope, so I'm putting E6000 all around the top. And then I'm reinforcing it with the hot glue. It not only helped with the time of drying, but for video purposes also. All right. And I'm just going to press that. Press that on top. Press it on top. All right. I hope you guys are enjoying this as much as I am. So there you go. And I will have some bells to hang out. I'm going to put some greenery on the sides of my porch and hang these bells out right on out there. And I'm just going to loop this, cut it short, loop it, and put those like the Christmas tree hooks, and I'm going to add a couple and twine them together, just twist them together to make them strong, and then I'm gonna twist it around the garland, then I'm gonna hang around there, around the trellis, I think it's called, or the lattice, my metal lattice on my porch. Okay, so there, let me show you a gold one. Those are my bells. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple DIY, quick and easy. Um, yeah, so this is going to be very decorative on my porch. Um, you can dress this up or dress it down. You can leave it like it is, or you can add some berries and some garland. Or I got these from the Dollar Tree, the wired garland ties, and I'm gonna try those. So I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to do something, okay? I'm going to really, really make these bells come to life. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. I just wanted to give you a sneak peek of some of the things that I'm doing, because I know I keep saying in my videos, you will see what I'm doing when I do my house tour. I'll give you a little taste or a little teaser, or, after I do my house tour, I'll post all my DIYs afterwards. But I just wanted to give you guys a little something, a little something, something. Well, I hope you enjoyed as much as I did, and I'll see you guys in the next video. This is DJ the Diva. If you have not yet subscribed, please smash that subscribe button, share my video, give me a thumbs up to help the channel grow, and give me a comment. I love you to life. Act blessed, talk blessed, walk blessed, and be a blessing to who? Be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. And share this video, share the channel, subscribe, stay subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.